Oh, welcome back to Chris Eats Stuff. That's better. Can't even talk with those damn masks on. Anyways, welcome back. We are heading over to Wendy's today. We are going to be getting something called the Valley Crispy Chicken Sandwich. I don't think you've ever heard of it. Maybe you have. It's a secret menu item that I've heard about. It is basically, I've been told they used to have it, that they should have all the ingredients for it still. It's basically just a bun, crispy chicken patty, and bacon, lettuce, tomato, and mayo. And it sounds delicious. I just went for a 3.35 kilometer run today. I'm working on my running again, burning off some of those calories that I've been packing in on this YouTube channel called Chris Eats Stuff. Anyways, come with me and let's see if we can get the secret menu item. I'm so excited. I like chicken. I like crispy chicken. I like bacon, lettuce, tomato, mayo, all of it. It should be delicious. Let's go see if they have it. Come on, please, please, please. I just went for a run. It was really, really fun. Now I'm hungry for something on a bun. Woo, let's go. Chicken, 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 chicken. 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 Oh, chicken. Where are you? Where art thou? Chicken. Come on, there's a lineup. How many vehicles are ahead of us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe more. Come on, I'm hungry. I burnt off all those calories. I gotta replace them. Come on, people. I have places to go, people to see, things to eat. I hope I said that in the right order. Okay, I just gotta tell you something that was really gross. The guy in front of me, he just spit like a whole mouthful of something out of his window, and then he just like gobbed some more phlegm out of his mouth after that. It's disgusting. Now he's staring at me through his rearview window. Take a picture, buddy. It's worth 1,000 words. Imagine what a video is worth that I'm taking of you, buddy. Okay, let's see if they can do it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Please, please.
Wendy, take order, please.
Hey, how's it going today?
Good, thank you. Yourself?
Good, good. I heard about a secret menu item called the Valley Crispy Chicken Sandwich. Basically, it's just a regular chicken burger, like a crispy chicken with bacon, lettuce, tomato, and lots of mayo. Could you do that?
Yeah.
That'd be.
A combo?
No, just the burger would be great. Just a sandwich would be awesome.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
Well, then, please, thank you.
All right, thank you. Yes, they have it. Woohoo! Yay! All right, I'm so excited. I don't know how much it's going to cost though, but we're going to find out.
$7.95.
$7.95?
Yeah.
All right, just on debit.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Hello.
Hi.
There you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Distracted driving, everyone. Crash. All right. Let's go park. Voila. Here it is. The special menu Valley Crispy Chicken Sandwich. Shh. It's a secret. Got my napkins. I'm going to put them right here. Got my receipt. And, $7.95. Okay, almost $8 for this. Okay, and you know what? If I had a little scale, I'd weigh that, and I'm telling you right now, it's not that heavy. Let's unwrap it and see what it looks like. Okay, all right. Okay, well, let's dive on in and take a closer look at this. Okay, this is where we get a nice look. This bun is nice and soft. Is that a brioche, whatever you say, bun? Ooh, it is pretty nice though. Okay, let's lift up the lid here. We've got some mayo. I asked for lots of mayo. It looks like there's a little bit in there, not too bad. Lettuce, tomato. Probably like one piece of tomato or something. Cheapskates. Bacon. Looks like a couple pieces of bacon, not bad. And the crispy chicken. Looks a little suspect. Ooh, more mayo, lots of mayo, good. But it looks a little suspect. It's a little piece. He said it's not a junior one, but yeah, that looks a little junior. Okay, well, let's give it a taste, see if it's worth $7.95. Make way for a delicious tasting sandwich. Let's hope. Okay, come on. Let's have it. I need a piece with some bacon on the side. I'm going to set it up like that. Does that look like a pretty good bite? I think that looks like a pretty good bite right there. Okay, let's... Thumbnail! All right. Tasty. Bacon, lettuce, tomato. Taste all of it. Mayo, yeah. That chicken, it's actually pretty good. Kind of moist. Salted up nice. The coating there. I'm glad I asked for lots of mayo. Yep. It's really good. Wow. They should have this on the regular menu. Oh no. Bacon's a little hard. But it is good. Okay, one more bite. That bacon is chewy. Get out of my throat, bacon. All right, one more bite, then we'll give it a score out of 10. Okay. Got some in my throat there. Stuck a little bit. I'm good though. All right. Let's give it a score out of 10. I have to say, it's surprisingly better than I thought it was going to be. Sure, bacon, lettuce, tomato is always good with, all the rest of that. That's a great combination. I thought it'd be just okay. It's actually better than I thought. The mayo really makes it a lot juicier in there. Some extra mayo. The chicken was juicy in itself. It's salted up nice on that batter on it. I enjoyed it. The bun was nice and soft as well. I'm going to give this one an 8.6 out of 10. Very good. I would recommend checking it out if you have $7.95 to burn and you like this type of a sandwich. Go check it out. Anyways, thanks for joining me. It's been fun. Until next time, peace. Looks like I made a friend. There you go, little buddy. There you go. Hey? It's okay. It's just a YouTube channel. You're good. You're good, bro. Do you like lettuce? Or do you like bacon better? Hmm? No, you're good, bro. Yeah, see? You're good. You want some chicken? Yeah. There you go, bro. You're good. Are you calling your buddies? Sorry, I have no more chicken left. Here, it's a piece of bun. Enjoy. There you are. All right. Hey, I don't have any more. I'm sorry. It's all gone. But come back next time. And hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, wait, you don't have thumbs, but just give it a foot up or something. Or a beak. Yeah. Subscribe. Share it with all your friends, bud. All right? Thanks, man. Peace out.